I hope y'all had a great evening. We didn't film yesterday too much because it rained all day. As you can see the sky, we're lucky we're not being rained on right now. Anyway, we're here at Haynes Junction. Well, the rest stop before you get to Haynes Junction. And that's an eerie sight over there. If you look close, there's clouds clouds. There are clouds, yes, but there's mountains right there. And if you look back over here, there's mountains in the clouds again. It seems like that's what we've been in for the last 3 days. Ugh. Wow. Yeah, back over there too. Anyway, there we sat. Starlink worked great. It works really good when it's not up against a mountain. I don't know what kind of bird that was. But we were here most of the time by ourselves. So we're going to Haynes Junction today. Get through there. Go to Whitehorse. And stop at Walmart, of course. And I think we're going to stop at that Canadian Tire store. We just want to check it out. And then we'll make it halfway to Watson Lake. Okay, we'll talk to y'all soon. Hopefully I can film some so you can see the beauty in this place. Okay, so we're at Walmart and you filled up. How much was it?
Well, it's the Petro one. $200 for how many damn liters? Hang on a minute, I'll tell you how many liters. No, I don't know where to read it on this receipt. 100.5 liters. So wow. There you go. You can figure that out. Do the math on that one.
Oh,
that's expensive.
Like $6 a gallon?
Every bit of that.
Wow. All right, here at the Walmart, y'all. We checked out the Canadian Tire store while we were in Whitehorse. It's just like a Lowe's and an AutoZone. Lots of auto parts. Then we went over to Save on Food store. Oh my gosh, that's a fantastic grocery store. Skip the Walmart and go to that store. They have everything that you need. Fresh fruit, fresh vegetables, good stuff. Good morning. We are camped here at Morley River recreational area in the Yukon, right off the Alcan. And let me tell you what, this is a busy road this morning. But this area is not bad at all. And it's buggy for sure. And supposedly you can take this little road right here and go down to the river. This place is very well maintained, very nice. I will put the coordinates in the description below. I mean, we don't have any views of mountains here. This is in the forest. You are in full-fledged forest. And the bugs are bad. I have my net on. And there we sit, all nice and level. And